Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to unbox caster wheels, shopping cart or trolley wheels. Recently I have purchased it from Nawapur market of Dhaka, Bangladesh. Let's unpack the box. Here are the caster wheels. These are the wheels. This is a caster wheel, 4-inch wheel, nylon made, stainless steel structure. There is a ball bearing. It is similar to this one. This is another caster wheel. It has a lock system. Here is the lock. Nylon wheel, 4-inch wheel, stainless steel structure. Ball bearing. It revolves. Another wheel, caster wheel, shopping cart or trolley wheel. It has also a lock system. There are 4 wheels. 2 are lockable. 2 are free wheels. These things I have purchased from a shop of Nawapur market, Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'd like to make a shopping like cart. These are the wheels. I'd like to make a shopping cart very recently. I'd like to arrange other things. Stay with me. Thanks for watching. Comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.